My name is Jasper Mikowski. I'm a second year student here at the University of Maine. I'm currently studying microbiology.
I'm Eleanor Carrollton. I grew up in Bath, Maine. I went to Morris High School.
I grew up in Dover-Foxcroft, Maine, which is about an hour north of here. I didn't really think even about college until I was later in high school. I applied to a bunch of different schools and I wasn't really sure where I wanted to go. My high school biology teacher got me set up with a tour in this building. He showed me around, showed me all the labs, showed me what research, what gets done here. And that's what really swayed my opinion, was seeing the changes that are going on here, what people are able to accomplish and stuff.
Research experiences were the reason that I chose UMaine. That I wanted more than anything to be able to positively impact people's lives while adding to new knowledge, because I'm so passionate about learning more about the world around us, and I knew that UMaine was the best place for me to be able to have that experience.
You come in to school, you know, deer in headlights, no idea what's happening, and you're kind of thrown into a whole new world, expected to change, expected to adapt. And you come out on the other side a better learner, a better thinker, a better analyzer of not just what you're studying, but the world around you.
I think that's one of the biggest things people gain from an RLE experience, is they learn to let go of perfectionism and face failure, because failure can be such a transformative experience that it's so important for our growth in learning how to continue benefiting ourselves even if we face challenges along the way.
The second or third day I was here, I asked Dr. Malloy a question. I was like, what happens if you do this? She goes, I don't know, figure it out. And I got to come in here and do research about my own question 3 days into being a college student. And that kind of really opened the door for all of these research opportunities that I've been presented with so far. I really like Maine, and I really like rural Maine. So I'm definitely leaning family medicine or, you know, emergency medicine, something that's needed in small town Maine.
I really would not be where I am today without the RLE. That being able to have this strong supporting group of both peers, mentors, professors. Obviously there's still so much growth left that I can do, but that's part of what makes life interesting, is knowing that there's always more that we can do.
Every day I'm reinforced that I made the right decision of where to go to school.